Hey guys, it's Tracy with the Y. I'm doing my second voiceover on this short video. My son Riley installed my Govee Light Pro set that I got for Christmas from James. James rented this big lift and so Riley could get these installed. I got them for Christmas last year. I absolutely love them. This is Riley, my oldest son. So he's got, as you can see, he said the adhesive on them is really good, but he also put a screw in each one to make sure it stayed. And he made a measuring tool so that they were lined up perfectly.
What are you doing? Videoing.
He wasn't happy that I was filming him, but it is what it is. So, here's the lift. Okay, here's at nighttime. And we were outside just playing with the app on our phone, doing all different kinds of lights, different varieties. I love this one. And it changes here. Here do several different ones. Isn't that pretty? So that's for like every day. And then you can do colors for each holiday. Makes me super excited for Christmas. It's my favorite.
I like that one. Go back
There's that. Look at that. Isn't that really cool?
Go to scenes, go to lights,
I love it.
and then go to stack.
Feliz Navidad.
Yeah.
Off. And then, watch this. This is cool.
Probably can't do it.
Almost kind of scary a little bit, maybe.
Like
Red scares me a little bit.
There's speed on it?
It's almost like the house is lighting on fire or something. I don't know. It's cool though. It goes to the end and then it works its way back. They try to make it go faster, but that wasn't an option.
Advanced technology.
So then you can see Riley put it on the roof line there. He put it on the front part of the house. And then he went on the porch. He went around. So the porch is pretty much always lit up. Here it comes back again. Oh, all on. Isn't that neat? I love these Govee lights. It's Govee. Look at that. That's cool. So we're really going to stick out like a sore thumb in our small town. That's fun.
Okay. Now you know what to ask for Christmas, Riley.
This one was pretty cool too. You could even play it with music. And it would go to the rhythm of the music. I think he was playing Purple Rain by Prince, which Prince is my favorite. But I like this. And then this is me outside. I just did a quick recording, walking. So I went there, and I used that little measuring tool that he made. I think it was a piece of cardboard. And now you'll be able to see on the porch where he went like around. And that was cool. That's my fall porch that I didn't record. It turned out really cute. Up to the peak and then down. And on that side of the house, I think there was maybe 6 left. So it didn't go all the way back. And then I walk far away. And at the end, it's just a few pictures that we had taken and I uploaded. Anyways, please comment if you like these or if you have these. James bought ours off Amazon. And they're very bright. And the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like the pictures, it's in person is so much better. Anyways, guys, thank you for sharing, and subscribing. Please comment if you like them or if you don't like them. Have a great day. See you in the next one.